Why is getting to Mars so hard? Let me break it down. First, the distance. Mars is an average of 225 million kilometers away. That's like traveling around Earth 5,600 times. Imagine the sheer scale of that journey. It's not just about the distance, but also the vast emptiness of space that lies in between. There are no pit stops, no refueling stations, and no quick fixes if something goes wrong. It takes about 7 months to get there, and that's with our current technology. Future advancements might shorten this time, but for now, astronauts have to be prepared for a long haul. This means months of living in a confined space, dealing with the psychological and physical challenges of space travel. And once you're en route, there's no turning back. The spacecraft is on a one-way trajectory, and any issues that arise must be dealt with on the fly. This requires meticulous planning, robust systems, and a crew that's trained to handle any situation. Next, space isn't friendly. Cosmic radiation can damage equipment and pose serious health risks to astronauts. Unlike Earth, which has a protective magnetic field and atmosphere, space offers no such shield. This radiation can increase the risk of cancer, damage the central nervous system, and even affect cognitive functions, and seriously affect astronauts' health. Prolonged exposure to cosmic rays can lead to acute radiation sickness, and the long-term effects are still being studied. This is why developing effective shielding and protective measures is crucial for the safety of the crew. Shielding from that is still a work in progress. Engineers are constantly working on new materials and technologies to better protect astronauts. This includes everything from advanced spacecraft designs to wearable radiation protection gear. Then comes the landing. Mars's atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's, which presents a unique set of challenges. The thin atmosphere means there's less friction to slow down a descending spacecraft, making traditional landing methods less effective. So parachutes don't work well. Engineers have to come up with innovative solutions such as retro rockets and advanced landing systems to ensure a safe touchdown. Each landing attempt is a high-stakes operation with no room for error. You have to slow down from 20,000 kilometers per hour with near-perfect precision. This requires precise calculations and timing as well as reliable technology that can perform flawlessly under extreme conditions. The margin for error is incredibly small, and any mistake could result in a catastrophic failure. And living there? Mars is freezing, about -60 degrees Celsius on average, and there's no oxygen. The harsh environment means that any habitat must be well insulated and capable of providing a stable, breathable atmosphere for its inhabitants. Everything, from water to food to power, has to be carefully planned and brought from Earth. This requires a reliable supply chain and the ability to produce some resources locally, such as generating oxygen from the Martian atmosphere